Apple is the ripened ovary of a plant and its content. Apple is a fruit because it is ripened ovary containing seeds. Apple boasts metabolic levels, help improve heart's health and regulate body's blood sugar level by regulating the release of sugar. They are also packed with vitamins and minerals. They promote healthy bones, teeth, and skin. Apple and apple cider juice is effective in reducing the risk of colon, skin, and breast cancer. Health benefits of apple. Apple is good for loss weight. Apple is high in fiber and water. Eat apple slices before a meal. Apple is good to your heart. Apple contains polyphenols which have antioxidant effect, which may lower blood pressure. Apple linked to a lower risk of type 2 diabetes. This is possibly due to the polyphenol antioxidant content. Apple have several naturally occurring compounds that may help fight cancer and lower the risk of cancer and death from cancer. Apple contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds that may help regulate immune responses and protect against asthma. Apple good for bone health. The antioxidant in apple promotes bone health. Eating this apple helps preserve bone mass as you age. Apple helps protect your brain. Apple juice helps prevent the decline of neurotransmitters that are involved in memory. Now we already know the health benefits of apple. I will teach you how to make apple cider juice. Apple cider juice. 3 pieces apple, 1 piece orange, 1 tablespoon cinnamon powder, 2 to 3 tablespoons sugar or honey, 2 to 3 glasses of water. Wash apples and orange. Cut into small pieces so easy to blend. Take out orange skin. Divide into pieces. Put 2 to 3 cups of water. Blend 3 to 5 minutes. Put in a pot and boil 10 to 15 minutes. Put 1 tablespoon cinnamon powder. Put 3 tablespoons sugar. Let it boil 10 to 15 minutes. Use a strainer to take out the juice. Put in a glass. Apple Cider Juice. Ayan, kung di pa na kayo nakasubscribe sa akin, pindutin ang subscribe at notification bell para maging updated kayo sa susunod na videos ko. I'm Gelson TV and I'm signing out.